Forest Products Machinery and Equipment Expo in Atlanta, Georgia, 2017. It's a really great show. It's interesting to see how this industry has developed over the many decades. LMI has been in this industry making sensors for about 40 years, going all the way back to the 1970s. And it's really neat to kind of see how not only our technology, but our partners, our machine builder partners, their technology is advanced, and how the sawmill equipment industry has really gone into a much more of a factory automation type setting. The mills are being filled with all types of interesting machinery, and being at a show like this really sees how technology has really impacted that industry. It's kind of exciting to be here to see all our partners and talk about our products, and also look and see what the trends are so that we can determine the type of things that we need to do in the future.
The wood industry means a lot to LMI because it's parts of LMI were actually formed from products around this industry. It has always historically been a very big industry for LMI and a very important market to be in. This year we're showing our latest for Gocator development, where we are developing the next generation of our multi-point scanners known as Chroma+Scans. That's the Gocator 200 series. That is a modular design where you can actually put together the type of scanner needed for your needs. This demo here, we have actually mounted together the combination of a Gocator 250 with the camera module Gocator 205 and a light bar. So this is one module out of, for instance, 10 on top, 10 on bottom to scan a full 6-meter board.
We're able to use we're able to send out raw data from our sensors where our customers use it to optimize these sensors in their big sawmill, like factory automation systems. One advantage of this system, I think, is that just the fact that you can upgrade this in the field. So a customer decides that they want to buy the 250, for example, and a year down the line they realize that they also need the vision component. And it's just a matter of just bolting on the vision and you're ready to go. It's very easy to use. And one of the things this system actually also provides an advantage over the Chroma+Scan is that we now have 3 kilohertz, so frame rate.
So the products that we're showing here today are applications range anywhere from the time the log comes in from the woods for bucking and log merchandising for decisions on cutting the logs to different prime lengths for the sawmill to produce lumber out of, to process control applications for our standard Gocator profile sensor with logs and things like that and lumber in the mill. And this setup here is one example where it can be used to measure log size, diameter. It can measure for sweep, crook, and taper, which are all important things for the mill to use to decide how to buck a stem length tree that came out of the woods into what they call prime lengths to actually make into lumber. The 2 sensors are connected together in a buddy mode, so that the 2 sensors actually appears as one sensor to the customer. By scanning like this, we can actually create a full 3D image of the log surface.
The BID Group is an organization that's been a collection of other companies, if you will, and we offer a full suite of products and services for the forest products industry. Specifically, we design, build equipment, and do construction for lumber and sawmills. What we use the sensors for is for scanning both logs and lumber so that we can optimize for the right cutting patterns, and also for the grading end of things so that we can classify the lumber properly. The sensors have been extremely reliable. They are a standard for us. It is the geometric scanner of choice for all of our applications, again, whether it's for logs or lumber. Yeah, we've had a tremendous relationship with LMI over the years. The products have been top tier for us, and you're considered a top supplier for us. We appreciate the innovation that you've done. It helps us because as we push our products farther and farther to do better, LMI as a partner has done a great job at supporting that.
I'm one of the owners of Raptor Integration, and I specialize on the scanning side of things. We have a grade scanner that we're pairing Remy Sacco's defect recognition with our North American cutting logic. And we've got a demo system here at the show using LMI Chroma+Scan 3350 and 3250 sensors, tracheate vision, and geometric. Yeah, the sensors use a fire sync protocol, which is very easy to work with and integrate into your product. And it does a lot of the crunching for you so that you can leave those direct math tasks to the sensor itself.
SiCam are the quality control experts in the forest products industry. We're doing a variety of different system integration systems for quality control in all the major sawmills in the world. We integrate with the various Gocator product lines, whether it's the Gocator 1000s or the Gocator 2000s, in a variety of different applications. We bring the data from the scanners back into our own proprietary software interface, which does a variety of different statistical process control techniques to basically analyze data and help our customers keep their products on target or on size. We've been working with LMI for a number of years now. We find the products very easy to integrate with. The quality of data that we get from the scanners is very good. It gives us a type of resolution and accuracy that we need on the varying type of surfaces that we scan on and the products that we're looking at. So all in all, the experience with the Gocator series has been really good to date, and we find them to be very reliable in the industry as well.